with respect to oral polio vaccine, what will change from 24th of April?
From trivalent to bivalent.
Correct. Sulfa, primaquine, nitrofurantoin, furazolidine, etc. are to be avoided or used with care in which group of patients? Correct. The answer was G6PD to the last question. How many and how much proteinuria, how many days of proteinuria and how much proteinuria is required for diagnosis of a relapse in a nephrotic syndrome?
Pass.
Passed. Name the metabolic screening test advised by American Academy of Pediatrics between the age group of 9 to 10-year-old children.
Thyroid.
Incorrect. A 1-year-old child is not even learned babbling but responds to sound. This is a red flag for which condition?
Autism.
Correct. Children above 7 years may be given Minirin orally for treatment of primary enuresis. They are cautioned against consuming liquids after taking Minirin. Why?
Can cause retention.
I'll give that correct. A male newborn with hyperpigmented genitals is brought with vomiting. Which congenital condition would you like to rule out?
Addison's. Pass. I'll take it later.
In a child with acute gastroenteritis, clinical signs of dehydrations are less obvious in which coexistent electrolyte disturbance?
Sorry, just repeat it. I missed
In a child with acute gastroenteritis,
Yeah.
clinical signs are less obvious if there is a coexistent electrolyte disturbance. Which electrolyte disturbance?
Hypernatremia.
Correct. What is per kg body weight dose of a single paracetamol oral injection for which a child need to be admitted?
Sorry again.
What is the per kg body weight dose of
Yeah.
a single paracetamol injection for which you will admit a child always?
100 milligram per kg.
Incorrect. What is the lower cutout for mid-arm circumference to diagnose severe malnutrition in a children below 5 years of age?
Pass.
If hematuria is noted by parents at the end of micturition repeatedly, what is the source or anatomical location of this hematuria? Hematuria at the end of micturition.
Trigonitis.
Correct. A child who is on carbamazepine is advised to take erythromycin. What is the likely effect on the blood level of carbamazepine?
It will fall. It will be ineffective.
Incorrect. In a child with acute liver failure, viral markers are negative and there is no history of drug ingestion. Which treatable condition would you like to rule out?
Just sorry, repeat.
In a child with acute liver failure, viral markers are negative and there is no history of drug ingestion. Which treatable condition would you like to rule out?
Dengue.
Incorrect. So I'll quickly say the questions again if you want to answer. Name the metabolic screening test advised by American Academy of Pediatrics for 9 to 10-year-old. Yeah? Lipid profile is the answer.
Okay.
One he passed which he was going to answer. Male newborn with hyperpigmented genitalia is brought
Congenital
with
adrenal hyperplasia.
congenital
CH.
adrenal hyperplasia.
Okay, sorry.
The single dose of paracetamol is more than 200 milligram per kilogram. What is the lower cutout for mid-arm circumference? 11.5. Not Americans, Indian children below 5 years. Carbamazepine levels will increase in the blood if co-administered with erythromycin. And Wilson's disease, if you rule out all markers, then it would be. If a person has hypothyroidism due to Hashimoto's, sibling has a greater than normal chance of having Graves' disease. True or false?
False.
Incorrect. Which of the two has higher glucose levels? Capillary blood from finger prick or from venous sample?
Venous sample.
Incorrect. If a foreigner traveling to India is on weekly mefloquine and yet develops malaria, which anti-malarial is strictly contraindicated? Don't freeze, pass if you don't know. Deepak.
Chloroquine.
Incorrect.
Okay.
Which of the two has more caffeine? One tablet of migranil or one tablet of crocin pain relief?
Migranil.
Correct. What is the most common side effect of the antiemetic ondansetron?
Pass.
What is the cause of chronic diarrhea that is treatable by giving albendazole 400 milligrams orally once a day for 5 days?
Giardiasis.
Correct. The calorie content per gram of fat is 9 grams and that of carbohydrates is 4 calories per gram. What is the calorie content of 1 gram of pure alcohol?
9.
Incorrect. Ingestion of which vitamin may cause false negative stool test for occult blood?
B12.
Incorrect. Name one nutrient that is well supplied by the following: spinach, bindi, nachni, almonds and till.
Calcium.
Correct. Valproic acid is used both in migraine and epilepsy and may cause weight gain. Which drug used both in migraine and epilepsy will cause weight loss?
Pass.
A known case of polycystic kidney disease comes with the worst headache of his life. What should be suspected first?
Malignant hypertension.
Incorrect. Miltefosine is an oral drug used chiefly in UP and Bihar for which disease?
Pass.
To screen for dementia, mini mental scale examination is done, in which orientation to place and time is checked along with calculation. Which number is used for calculation?
Repeat.
In mini mental state examination, to check
Pass.
for calculation,
Pass. Pass.
which pathogenic organism infects nearly half the world's population and can predispose to GI malignancy?
Roundworm.
Incorrect.
Okay.
So the first one is, it is correct to say that person with hypothyroidism will have higher incidence of Hashimoto in the family. Which of the two has higher glucose level? Capillary blood gas. If a foreigner is traveling to India on mefloquine, should not be given quinine. The calorie content of 1 gram of pure alcohol is 7. Vitamin C will cause false negative stool test. And subarachnoid hemorrhage or ruptured berry aneurysm should be suspected when you get when a person gets first severe headache of his life. And number 7 is used for calculation in mini mental scale. Thank you, Dr. Deepak. She's calculating the score. So 9.